there, welcome to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Kaylee, and today I'm talking all about homemaking and just another homemaking tip that I think is important. And don't feel bad if you can't get this tip or piece of advice to stick in your daily routine or daily life. Just do what you have to do. I'm not like trying to make anyone feel bad that they don't do it the way I do it. I'm just trying to give you guys a little encouragement and a little advice, I guess. Ooh, I like it.
With Abigail, that's me, and there's Ezra Tiny.
Who's that?
That's Shante.
Nice. Okay, draw me a picture of Daddy.
Okay, he's super tall, and I draw him super tall. Okay?
Okay, so this tip has to do with appliances, and this can basically go like anybody can do this. So if you have appliances in your house, then definitely do this. This is going to help with mold. This is going to help with your appliances stinking, and that is for appliances that usually have like water, like washer machine, your coffee machine, and your dishwasher. So if things are stinking, that definitely means that there's bacteria growth. So what I like to do is I like to leave stuff open overnight, and definitely during the day if I can. The washer machine, I will just leave the lid open, and that's because mold will start to grow on the lining of your washer. And I bet you can also do treatments for mold too. So if there is mold, definitely look up how to do safe treatments for mold. So another helpful advice is leave your coffee pot open. Not when it's being brewed, obviously, but when you're done with your coffee in the morning, pop the lid open and let the air, let the water evaporate so you don't get mold growing in your coffee pot. Like in like the back area where the reservoir of water goes. So mold can grow back there, so leave your coffee pot open. Eli, let me see my phone. Gosh.
I've seen a lot of videos.
So yeah, and also if your dishwasher's stinking, try to leave that open in the nighttime. I know that might make it like stink up your house, but I think there's some sort of like baking soda treatment you can do for dishwashers. But if you leave it open in the night, I bet you it will kill some of the germs because you're allowing for the water to dry and not sit in there, and it's just allowing airflow. So I know that a lot of people have stinky dishwashers, and that's pretty common. So there's definitely like treatments you can do for that. Look that up for yourself. This video is all about leaving appliances open to avoid mold growth. So I hope that this video has helped you, because mold growth in appliances is not good, and it's probably not good for our health, obviously. So yeah, I hope that this really easy, simple tip has helped you, and that you're able to give it a try and incorporate it into your routine, because it's so easy. You just like leave stuff open. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day in Jesus' name. Okay, bye!